welcome. This year, open house is going to look a little different. We wanted to take a minute to introduce you to the kindergarten teachers and give you some information for the upcoming school year. My name is Ms. Tiffany Herndon.
Hey, I'm Amber Sims.
Hey, I'm Ashley Gray.
Hi, I'm Lauren Green.
Hi, I'm Callie McFarling.
Hi, I'm Jill Cox. I'm the kindergarten special education teacher.
We have Ms. Kim Simmons, who is a kindergarten teacher with us. However, she was unable to be here today as she's out of town with family.
This year we'll have a back to school supply drop-off night. It will be Tuesday, August 4th from 3 to 6. For kindergarten, you'll pull in the front parking lot and a teacher will come out to get your supplies. Please make sure your supplies are labeled with your child's first and last names. This will make sure that your child's supplies get to the correct teacher. Also, you will be given a packet that you will have to complete and return with your child on the first day of school.
As always, communication is very important so that you know what's going on and so that your child can be successful in kindergarten. This year, we will be using the Remind app. Make sure that you download the Remind app so that you know what's going on in your child's classroom and so that you can communicate with your child's teacher. Make sure that you have a working phone number, and if your phone number changes, please let us know. Also, you will get your login information from your child's teacher.
For the first day of school, please send the following items with your child: a small snack and a water bottle, both labeled with your child's name. Please also return the completed packet that you received at supply drop-off night. On the first day of school, your child will receive a binder. In the binder, you will see a money pouch. We ask that any notes about transportation and any money for school fees be returned into the money pouch. You will also see your child's monthly behavior calendar. We ask that you initial each night showing that you have seen what color your child was on that day. You will also find a monthly or weekly newsletter from your child's teacher in the binder. A folder labeled Return to School, Leave at Home. Anything that we are asking you to send back, we ask that you place on the side, Return to School.
Due to COVID-19, there are extra safety precautions that will be put into play this year. Please pre-screen your child before they leave the house. They will also be pre-screened again before entering the building. This goes for all students and staff. Before they get out of your car and after they get off of the school bus, they will be pre-screened. All students and staff will be made to wear masks when social distancing is not attainable. This is for the safety of your child.
We hope this virtual open house answers your questions. Please refer to the district website for any further information and/or updates. We can't wait to meet your child, and while things will be different this year, we will make the best of the current situation. And always, it's a great day to be a Panther.